Hello and welcome back to Mastering Flat Design. Before we move on with our project design, I want to make sure that you have the fonts that we're going to be using for this design. And both of these fonts I acquired from google.com/fonts. It's their web fonts, which are freely available to use on your website. And the two fonts we're looking for, there's one called Acme, and we can type that in and it will show up here. And so I'm going to take this font, and over here to the right, I'm going to click on Add to Collection. Then I'm going to search for my other font, which is called Sintony, S-I-N-T-O-N-Y. And here is that particular font. So we're going to add that to the collection too. Once we've added the fonts we want to our collection in Google Fonts, up here near the top right corner, there's a little downward pointing arrow, and this is our download link. I'm going to click on that link, and we're going to get a notice that says you don't have to download these fonts to use it on your web pages. Instead, there are instructions on their website on how to use them on your web pages. However, for your Photoshop mockups, obviously you're going to need the font on your system in order to get that to work. So we do want to download these. So we're going to click on this first option to download the font families in your collection as a zip file. So we're going to click on that .zip file link, and that will download the fonts to our system. Now I've already downloaded these fonts and installed them on my own system, but you're going to need to do the same for yours. So whether you're using a Mac or a PC, just follow the appropriate steps you need to install those fonts on your system. And in the next video, we'll get started incorporating these fonts into our design. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you then.